Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I clean my bedroom fast. It is a Saturday morning here and I have got a ton of things that I want to get done, but before I get all the things that I want to do done, I am going to clean and declutter my bedroom. It is in quite a state. I'm in the process of changing out all my clothes for the season. I've also pulled out all of the Christmas decorations recently to decorate the house, so I need to reorganize all that storage that is required to keep those Christmas decorations. Also need to pack up all of my winter bedding, so all of my quilts and blankets and things like that, and then just switch out all of my winter clothes for my summer clothes and pack away anything that I'm not going to be wearing for the next couple of months. So I thought I'd take you along and show you my process, how I do it and how I get it done as quickly as possible. So as always, I start with a list. I write out a list of what I want to get done and I make a time frame for how quickly I want to get it done by. I then make sure that I've got a motivator. So for me, motivation is going shopping, going to get my nails done. I want to get my nails fixed today, but before I go out and treat myself and get that done, I make sure that I've done everything on my to-do list, which for today is just getting my bedroom back under control, organized, clean, and decluttered. So let's get started.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't, and I complain and dismiss it. Keep on reminiscing. I know, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad.
So now that I have the basics under control, I've removed all of the rubbish, I've removed all the dishes from my bedroom, I've taken out all of the clean laundry, which there was a whole huge pile of that needs to get folded and ironed and put away, but that's another story. Now I am working on this huge box of memorabilia or kind of sentimental items that I've been meaning to go through for a very long time and I've just been putting it off. So I have literally been moving it from place to place, procrastinating getting it done because it is really not my favorite thing to go through.
Listen, I know, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad. Yeah, 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 yeah. You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level.
So now the cleaning of the bedroom is pretty much under control and I just did the usual things. So making the bed, making sure all the rubbish and dishes were out, and then giving everything a nice dust and cleaning all the glass wardrobe doors. Now it was time to tackle the decluttering and organizing. And like I said, all these sentimental things are not my favorite to go through. I always struggle when it comes to the sentimental items because I never know what to keep and what to get rid of. I try to just keep it to one box of all the sentimental kind of memorabilia type items. I've also been trying to switch out all of my plastic storage containers to storage boxes that are more natural and that can also double up as decor. As my apartment is so tiny, there's really limited closet storage space. So when I do have to store things, they're often out in sight. So for example, I'm not going to want to have an ugly plastic storage container that I've got all my memorabilia stored in. But if I use that water hyacinth wicker type basket, then I'm fine to have that sitting out on a bookshelf somewhere. So now I've got my least favorite decluttering task out of the way, which is the memorabilia. If you've watched any of my other decluttering videos or organizing videos, you know that I like to tackle the worst first. So get my least favorite thing out of the way and done first and finished. Then moving on to my clothes. So as I said, it's coming up to summertime now in Australia, so I want to pack away all of my winter clothes because I know I am not going to need those for a good 3 to 4 months at least. I also decided I wanted to trial pulling out all of my clothes that were hanging in my closet and putting them all on my clothing rack. I'm really looking to scale down the amount of clothes that I have at any one time and kind of try and turn them over a little bit more frequently than I have in the past. So I have these Scub storage boxes from IKEA. They are absolutely fabulous for storing things like out of season clothes and linens, and I use a lot of these throughout my home. They are super inexpensive, they're really durable, they have lasted so well, and I highly recommend them. So now that I have everything packed up and put away, I am just rearranging some things in my bedroom to try and maximize the most of my closet storage space, and then getting rid of all the rubbish. I'll leave a link to all the cleaning products I used down below in the information box. And now you can see the finished product of my clean, tidy, decluttered and organized bedroom.
I won't get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all.
So we are done for another video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. It is great feedback for me. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe before you go, or better yet, hang out and watch another video or two. I hope you're all having a fabulous weekend, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
If you won't open your door, if that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it